Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok search history, and here's how it is done. Now let's open the TikTok app. Tap the search icon at the top right and type in something like Hawaii or surfing. You will see your recent search terms listed, and you can easily remove them by tapping the X. If you don't see your search terms there, you can still recover them in one of two ways. First, go back and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Then tap the three lines at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Activity Center. Under Comment History, you will see Search History. Tap on that, and it will show all your searches with the dates. You can select them and hit Delete if you want to clear them. And that is everything you need to know about how to check TikTok search history. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.